In today's video, I'll outline the steps I'm taking to regrow my hair naturally, including some innovative treatments like stem cells. For those of you looking for non-invasive, drug-free solutions, this might inspire your own journey. My approach will combine proven natural remedies like rosemary oil and scalp microneedling with advanced regenerative treatments like exosomes and stem cells. It's about blending the best of nature and science without relying on harsh medications and surgeries. I'll take advantage of medical tourism in Manila, where you can get world-class treatments for a fraction of the cost in the US.
This video documents the beginning of my hair regeneration journey, starting in Los Angeles and continuing in the Philippines. While this was filmed in late November last year, I'll be sharing updates and progress in upcoming videos to bring you up to the current day.
So tomorrow, I'll be leaving Playa del Rey, California, and flying to Manila to begin an exciting chapter in my hair regrowth journey.
Here in LAX, almost ready to board the flight to Manila. Actually, this one's going to Japan, and then from Japan to Manila. It's going to be a long one. Here we go.
But before I go, I want to share the plan that I've created and even show you one of the natural techniques I'll be using. For those of you who are new here, let me give you a bit of background. I'm 57 years old, and though most people think I'm in my 30s, I've been passionate about health and wellness for most of my life. And as a health and wellness author, I've spent decades studying how to optimize the body naturally. In fact, I haven't been sick, not even with a cold or a flu, for over 30 years. Staying healthy has been a lifelong journey for me, and now I'm turning that same determination towards addressing my hair loss. What I've learned is that the body has an incredible ability to heal and restore itself when given the right tools and care. And that's why I'm so excited to share this new chapter with you and show how combining natural remedies with modern advancements could make a real difference. This is microneedling, a simple yet effective method for boosting blood flow to the scalp and encouraging follicle activity. So one of the therapies that I'm going to do for my hair loss is called microneedling. And so this is a pin, like a microneedling device. It's got a bunch of little pins here, which this device basically stamps into your scalp or whatever area that you're using it. Okay, so the microneedle is on. You can adjust the length of it. It's right now at about 75, just a little bit under 1.
Let's talk briefly about microneedling for hair regrowth. This involves using tiny needles to create micro injuries on the scalp, which stimulate growth factors, improve blood flow, and enhance the absorption treatments like minoxidil or natural serums. Research shows it's effective, especially for conditions like androgenetic alopecia. It helps rejuvenate the scalp and reactivate dormant hair follicles. The key is consistency and proper technique. Regular sessions can lead to noticeable results over time. It's a simple, minimally invasive way to support hair regrowth naturally.
I don't love doing this. It's like a bunch of needles going into your skin. But it's not super painful because it's not going super deep, but it's painful enough. I don't like it. So then we have some hair oils. One of the main ones that is studied is called rosemary oil, and so that's that one. There's other oils that are good for hair growth as well, like fenugreek, chevy powder, and amla. It's something I'll continue doing throughout my journey. For me, this journey is not just about regrowing hair. It's about regaining maximum health and proving that age doesn't have to define our health or appearance. I'm really interested in your journey as well, so anything that you experience with hair regrowth, put that down in the comments. I'm interested to learn about that as well. So tomorrow I leave for Manila and start this next chapter, and I'll be documenting everything, the highs, the challenges, and the results. So I'm very high up in the air on this flight from Los Angeles to Philippines, actually to Japan, then to Philippines. And I wanted to do some live streaming. I was gonna actually see if it was possible to live stream, but I only have 25 subscribers, so you need 50 according to YouTube in order to do live streaming. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to crank out videos on a daily basis until I can get 50 subscribers so I can do live streaming. Because I'm just very curious. Is it possible to do live streaming while you're in the air, flying over the ocean? I'm really curious about that. Does anybody know? Tell me. So I'm going to walk around the airplane and get a little bit of exercise, because that way I can survive the flight, right? Here we go. So I arrived here in Manila, and we are going to go look at diagnostic testing, find out what it's going to take to do that. I'm going to walk to a laboratory nearby, so we can check that out, so that we can take the first step in this hair growth plan. 50 floors, and I've never lived in such a high building. And then this this bottom floor has a mall, like a shopping center. Let's see. Okay, we're going to the diagnostic center. Let's walk this way.
I'm just on my way to the lab to get my blood test done, and I want to take a moment to talk about why regular blood tests are so important. Not just for general checkups, but also for addressing specific health concerns like hair loss. Sometimes we tend to think issues like hair loss are just hereditary or natural part of aging, and we skip getting tested. But the truth is, there might be an underlying deficiency causing it, one that could lead to other health problems if left unchecked. For example, a couple of years ago, I discovered I was severely B12 deficient. Not only did this affect my energy levels, but it also accelerated my hair loss on top of androgenetic alopecia. Once I became aware, I took action and reversed the deficiency in just 45 days, documenting the journey in my book, Energy Epidemic Uncovered. So, if there's anything unusual going on with your health, don't dismiss it as just the way things are. A simple blood test could make all the difference.
Yeah. Hello. You do lab tests here?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you do these tests right here?
Yes.
Yes? If you're curious about natural hair regrowth and medical tourism, hit subscribe and follow along. Next time, I'll share more about the innovative treatments I'll be trying in Manila.